What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to download and install ChatGPT on a Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about just go over here, search for the Microsoft Store and click on the Microsoft Store. So actually the Microsoft Store is actually a marketplace where you can get all the free as well as the paid apps. So if you go over here on the apps, you can see some of the apps are absolutely free and some of them are actually paid one. Right? Similarly, if you go to the games, it is also absolutely free, as well as there are some games which are absolutely paid one as well. So if you scroll down, you can see some of these games are Asphalt is absolutely free and some of these are actually paid. So just go to over here on the home, and now from here you have to search for ChatGPT. Now on the top you have to search for the ChatGPT and click on this one. So the search will be in the process, and you can just go over here and search for the ChatGPT. And once you go for the ChatGPT, you can just click on the get so that it will be downloaded on your system. Just sign in on the respective app with your credentials and you can use the ChatGPT hereafter. So this is how we can get this. So it's going to take a little bit of time in order to download it, and afterwards you can use it wisely. So that's what it is all about it. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.